Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me in this captivating and easy to follow tutorial as I show you how to create super amazing woolen home decor using finger. With just 2 colors of wool and a bit of creativity, you will be able to fashion your very own adorable accessory. Just as you saw, I wrapped the first color of wool on my pointer finger for 15 times. Then attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to sew around the woolen design. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Now, attach second color of wool. Sew 3 times and attach a small bead. Continue in that sequence until you get to the point you started. Sew in a medium-sized bead at the middle to cover the opening the finger created and to make the woolen design flawless and more beautiful. I know you guys will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.